Thank you for stopping by. I'm Gabby. I'm the creator of the Glimpse Jamaica Through Word Search puzzle books collection. I figure I would just take a few minutes to tell you a little bit about this puzzle book collection. It's an unusual and nostalgic collection. The books cover incidents that happened in Jamaica from the 17th century to the late 20th century. The words and phrases that are used, they're related to different themes. For example, school. There's a puzzle that covers to and from schools in the countryside, to and from schools in the city, school discipline, books that we used at school. There are lists of, different schools, high schools, prep schools, primary schools, college, university. I try to cover as much as I possibly could with just words and phrases. To tell you a little bit about the physical book itself, the books have glossy covers and they are printed in large prints. So for those people who might have issues with vision, you should be able to see clearly with these puzzles. Another feature of the book is that I have tried to include some photographs that would capture the essence of the puzzles. To all people who were born in Jamaica, you're guaranteed to have a fantastic walk down memory lane. The words and the phrases will do that to you. To those of you who have Jamaican parents, or you might be married to a Jamaican, or you're dating a Jamaican, there are going to be definitely words and phrases that you will come across in the puzzles that you've heard before. And I also included a glossary so that for those words that you're not familiar with, you can always look them up in the glossary. Those people who have no relationship at all with any Jamaicans, if you're interested in learning anything about the Jamaican culture or history or language, these books will definitely introduce you to that. Before I go, I just want to say thank you to my family and friends for their support. For those of you who have supplied me with very old photos that I did not have in my archive. Thank you also for helping me to recall words or situations or expressions that I just could not recall. You were able to help me to recall those. Thank you for sharing all my posts. Thank you for purchasing my books. I really, really appreciate your support. And I also want to say, I would be remiss if I didn't mention my mom. She's no longer with us. She departed this earth like 4 years ago, but she helped me significantly with gathering information for these books. The interesting thing is that she didn't know what she was helping me to do, because I thought I would surprise her with the collection, but it was just unfortunate that she passed away before I could even produce the first copy. So thank you, Mommy, for your contribution nonetheless. Well, that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for your time, and I will catch you in the next video. Like my grandmother would say, "Uno take care," which means you all take care of yourselves. Bye.